About 22.4% of children 2 to 19 years of age have obesity, and about an additional 16% have extra body weight and it's considered overweight. And that's a problem because obesity tends to increase throughout childhood and adolescence, and it also tracks into adulthood. That's made us suffer from chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. And then you have to look at the psychological issues. Stigma, self-esteem issues, and bullying are often experienced by children with obesity. By making healthy choices early in life and making them in a way that can stick, that becomes part of who they are and the choices they choose to make, we can hopefully prevent or delay some of those chronic conditions in adulthood. And if you look at it from a different perspective, the direct medical cost of obesity is about $260 billion a year. This is what it costs the U.S. economy, not million, but billion. That's a lot of money. Obstacles are people wanting to change, and that's my job. That's where I come in with what I know about motivation and try to create interventions that fit a population. And I do that with community engaged research. But we created a video game that had a professional writer. We had professional artists, we had professional programmers to help us create the video game. And we also convened an expert panel of 4th and 5th graders, which was our target audience. And we said, help us get this right. Help us not only understand this from other 4th and 5th, the perspective of other 4th and 5th graders, but do you understand what we're asking you to do? And number 2, more importantly, would you want to do what this video game is asking you to do? So at the end of that game, what we found was not only did we increase fruit and vegetable consumption, but after the video game ended, 3 months later, we came back and reassessed, and they were still eating more fruit and vegetables. They didn't just add fruit and vegetables on top of what they were already eating, like maybe chips and some other things. They were making changes in the food choices. It's important to me that people understand that change is possible. You can make changes. It doesn't have to be big changes overnight, but gradual changes make a difference.